Dr. Wong's Skin Lightening Soap. Hindi ko talaga inaasahan na in just 7 days, ganito magiging resulta ng paggamit mo ng Dr. Wong's for twice a day po yan, every day for 1 week. Hi guys, my name is Anthony and in this video, I'm going to show you yung 7-day effect ng Dr. Wong's Lightening Soap. Hindi ko ina-expect na sobrang bango niya tapos sobrang effective din siya sa pagpapatanggal ng mga allergies, acne, and bacteria aside from lightening your skin. So, eto po ang pruweba. So, yan. Walang blemishes, walang makeup, so walang foundation po yan. So, sadyang this is a real vlog. So, in just 7 days, makikita mo yung visible signs of lightening. Tapos, ang nagustuhan ko dito, mabilis mag-fade yung mga scars mo. So, ayan, Dr. Wong's Lightening System or Lightening Soap, hindi lang katulad ng mga sulfur soap na Dr. Wong's na nakikita nyo sa market dahil meron silang bagong pampaputi, Dr. Wong's Lightening Soap. So, ipipick up ko dito yung mga ibang sulfur soap na mga ginagamit ko dati. Ayan, eto, hindi ko pa siya na-vlog, but ito yung isa sa mga promising na sulfur soap with moisturizer. So, ito yung color white. Ayan, ginagamit ko rin siya. Pero mild lang yung sulfur content nito. But talagang ang pinaka malakas sa sulfur soap ng Wong's is ito. Sulfur soap na yellow. Why? Because nakakatanggal talaga siya ng acne, tapos allergies kapag may eczema ka, ito yung ginagamit. But, ang pinaka gusto ko sa lahat at ang pinaka hindi ko inaasahan sa lahat is itong Dr. Wong's Lightening Soap because, ayan guys, so kitang-kita yung ebidensya guys, hindi po ako nagsisinungaling. Dr. Wong's Lightening Soap in just 7 days. So, magkano nga ba ang isang soap na ganito? The price is, ayan po yung price. So, mabibili nyo po siya sa Shopee and Lazada. So, I'm going to show yung link below up kung saan available yung Dr. Wong's para alam nyo kung saan kayo bibili ng Dr. Wong's Lightening Soap and hindi kayo magsisisi na bumili kayo ng ganito because super effective siya. Super bango as in. Ang lakas ng fragrant, yung scent niya. Promise, hindi kayo magsisisi, magiging masusurprise talaga kayo sa effect niya. So, ganito yung talagang effect niya sa katawan nyo in just 1 week. Here we are, the closer look of Dr. Wong's Lightening Soap, made with nature, improved by science. So, dito sa harap, Dr. Wong's Lightening Soap or Lightening System Lightening Soap, multifunctional whitening complex, dermatologically tested, 60 grams, and then made with nature, improved by science. So, ayan yung side niya, Dr. Wong's. Tapos, ano pa ba? Here, dito na tayo sa gilid. So, experience the next level skin lightening with Dr. Wong's Lightening Soap. This face and body soap is infused with an antibacterial agent and a multifunctional whitening complex made with botanical actives. From tree peony that slows down the effect of UV light on pigment formation. Strawberry geranium that help fade dark spots and discoloration. Scutellaria root, an antioxidant that helps balance skin tone. So, Dr. Wong's Lightening Soap is specially formulated with 3 added long-lasting benefits, moisturizing, smoothing, and glowing, which leaves skin favor younger and healthy looking. So, use as a bath soap. Let it stay for 2 to 3 minutes on the skin before rinsing. So, ingredients po, we are going to read the ingredients. So, blend of sodium palmitate, and then titanium dioxide, salicylic acid, butylene glycol, arbutin, citric acid, sodium sulfite, acetylene tyrosine, tapos ayan, yung mga strawberry extract, 3 peony root extract, ascorbyl phosphate, ayan, so water, glycerin, glutathione. So, meron din pala siyang glutathione. O, diba? Social may glutathione siya. So, create the perfect skin care routine with you with the complete line of Dr. Wong's lightening system. So, bath soap, plus lotion, and face cream. So, ayan po guys. Ito yung Dr. Wong's lightening soap. So, meron din tayong yung sulfur soap niya and yung sulfur soap with moisturizer. And magko-concentrate talaga tayo dito sa lightening soap. So, the next clip will be all about me washing my own body. Andito na tayo sa demonstration portion ng vlog na ito. So, in here, we have Dr. Wong's lightening soap. Bubuksan natin para makita natin yung overall na look niya bago natin gamitin. So, ayan. So, it is color white. I'm not sure kung may kita. Ayan. So, Dr. Wong's. And then, back-to-back po siya na ganyan. So, it looks like that. So, ayan. It's now time for us to buhusan ng ating sarili para pagsimulang maligo. So, sobrang init. Kaya, kailangan natin maligo. And, para mag-duty mamaya. So, we're going to i-apply ito agad sa buong katawan natin. So, wait lang. I-apply natin ito sa buong katawan. Ayan. So, meron siyang salicylic acid to fight against acne. So, wait lang, alisin ko lang yung water na nagdidrip sa face ko. Ayan. Para maging ganyan siya. And roll over natin pa sa kamay. Ayan, sa kamay. And then, dito. So, di ba, nabasa natin na you must lather the soap into your skin or into your body for at least 2 to 3 minutes. So, wala pang 2 minutes. Kaya bilisan natin para at least within 2 to 3 minutes is nalather na natin ang katawan natin. So, don't forget to use it in a circular motion. So, ganyan siya. And you should also include your ears. So, para malinis tignan, hindi lang sa face, pati sa ears. So, aanhin mo ang malinis na mukha kung marumi naman yung ears mo, di ba? So, ganyan guys. And, hindi lang sa the whole part ng katawan mo, pati sa body mo din, para at least lahat ng part ng katawan mo is nasabunan mo na. So, we are now going to, parang wala pa sa 43 minutes. So, within that time, wala pa akong nararamdaman na tawag dito, itchiness or parang pain sa face ko or even sa other parts of my body. Kaya, ang masasabi ko sa inyo is, why don't you try itong Dr. Wong's Sulfur Soap para at least ma-feel nyo rin kung ano yung magiging effect sa katawan nyo, tapos magugustuhan nyo talaga yung effect nito. So, wait lang guys. Ipo-pause muna natin. After a few minutes na nag-rinse ako, nag-shampoo na rin ako, wala ka talagang mararamdaman ng itchiness or pamamanhid ng inyong skin. But be sure na don't overbabad it to your face or body kasi syempre hindi tayo pare-pareho ng skin or ng genes. Baka yung iba sensitive yung skin, nagka-rashes ka. But anyway, 2 to 3 is fine. Tapos less than 2 minutes or 1 minute na lathering sa skin mo is also fine. And then, what is the best time? For me, umaga, before work. Tapos, after work, para at least ma-cleanse yung katawan mo. And, ayan, mag-a-apply ka ng lotion or your favorite na gusto mong i-apply sa katawan mo, sa face and body. So, ayan guys, 7 days. Be consistent. Do it religiously. Once or twice a day is already fine. Okay lang kahit once a day, pero wag yung every other day. Basta ang importante, nagsasabon ka for at least once in a day. Ayan guys, kaya ganito yung magiging effect talaga ng skin mo kapag gagamit ka ng Dr. Wong's na lightening soap. So, ayan. Kaya if you have any questions or kung gusto nyo pang mag-review ako ng mga ibang products, don't forget to mag-comment kayo and of course, mag-subscribe kayo sa YouTube channels ko, The Star of Anthony and The Star of Anthony Vlogs. Mag-request kayo kung ano yung gusto nyong product na i-review ko. Ayan. Tapos, sa mga magpapa-X deal, I am also open for X deal. Kaya guys, you can reach me out kung gusto nyo magpa-X deal. You can send me products and I'll review it through my vlog and in my social media na profile. So, that's all guys. That's all for now. Mag-ingat po tayo lahat and have a nice day.